guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Today we will talk about Ricochet. I think this is the most fun bow stroke to play and one of the most easiest probably. The only hard part is to control your bow, to not jump out of your hands. The name of this bow stroke says everything, Ricochet. Basically, you just have to throw your bow on the string and it will start bouncing. Of course, you don't want to throw your bow on your violin out of nowhere, because then it will be very chaotic and your bow might go in any direction he wants. No, always remember the rule that the bow have to be between your bridge and the fingerboard, right in the parallel with the bridge, and the bow hair has to be flat on the string. Also, don't try to tilt your bow stick. It won't give you any effect in any ways. So, flat hair on the string. And try to control with your right hand. You need 2 notes on one bow or 4 notes on one bow. 2 notes. To be able to play 2 notes or 4 notes or 8 notes on one bow, the index finger have to control your bow. 2 notes. Down bow. Up bow. Also, with your pinky, you can help your bow to not bounce so much. So to control the amount of notes on one bow, you have to control your bow stick with the index finger, 2 notes, 4 notes. And to be able to control how much your bow jumping or bouncing, this is the pinky job. You also might start with the slow tempos and then speed up a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. Like this you'll get a notification when new lesson available for you. And in general, you will be able to learn something new and even more. Bye!